can hear me, but so today is our first
hot water heater turned off.
Hot water turned off. So today is our first, actually our first day to actually start moving. It's launch day. Things are packed up. We're ready to do the slides. That is the Dawn borax treatment in the gray tank we're doing. So we want things to slosh around as we make our way up to North Carolina eventually. But oh, gotta secure that fridge. We use a piece of Velcro to keep it closed. Bike rack, everything's on. Gotta hook up the tow vehicle. For the record, he really has done almost everything this morning. $20. Got $20 back because of our turned in the mail key. So I'm McDill for now. Let's see if we're actually ready yet. Sadly, I woke up feeling like crap this morning because of all the crying yesterday. Peyton had to do almost everything himself. It's right around noon. We were gonna leave at 9. So anyway. Here you go. I was just telling everyone you've done everything because I was sick from all my crying yesterday.
Well, I don't know about everything, but hopefully everything's done right. We'll see you in a few minutes.
We're leaving just on time, right?
No, we're like 2 hours late.
Maybe even 3. Anyway.
All right, safety first.
On the road again. I interrupt this video to bring you an update on my cooking. So I had this. I swear I barely used it. It just wasn't for me. I didn't use it. So, you know, you can only have so much on your counter in an RV, and so I'm switching it up for this. It looks a lot bigger, but it flips up, so I'm hoping I'll be able to roast and fry and broil and not fry, air fry. Anyway, I'll report back, but this must have on a video, not for me. I hope that's for me. I'll be back and let you know. Ooh, buddy. It doesn't even look like it'll fit anywhere, right? I mean, the box is so huge, but we know that it will. So I measured, and I hope that means I measured right. And you see it does this little guy, flips up right here. So hopefully I'll be able to set it on my countertop and drop it down when we're using it and flip it back up. So anyway, hoping it's a thumbs up. I'll let you know. Can't decide if it's too much, but I think I'll like cooking in it, so make sure if you have one of these and you use it, tell me about it down below. Tell me what you think about the Ninja. We'll give it a try. Okay, so here's the thing. When you come into Fort Jackson, Weston Lake Recreation Area, you'll turn on this road out here and it brings you down this road. You'll get to about here, you'll see this, and you'll think you need to go one way through this little, I guess you'd call it a roundabout. But listen, don't follow this sign. If you have to check into the office, just go to the left and pull in that parking lot. Don't ask us how we know, just trust me. If you're in an RV, Class A, with your tow, don't follow the one-way sign through the little circle forest land. Just go left over here. It'll make things a lot easier. This just in. I'm a fan of the toaster oven, much more than I was of the Instant Pot. Instant Pot, since I've got this toaster oven, I have simply toasted bagels, I have broiled steak, I reheated old pizza, and I currently have a pizza in it. And I'm telling you, it's like zero the amount of time to preheat for the pizza compared to my convection oven. So it's a thumbs up for me so far, everybody.